Hi all, it is just after lunchtime. Got a beautiful day and it's the 1st of August here in Australia. We are still in the middle of winter. I've been very sick. I've been in hospital actually, and they found out that I have a low white blood cell count, which has been what's causing all the issues at the moment. So I can't stay out here for terribly long. I'm actually in my big thick warm dressing gown actually while I'm doing this with you. The sun's out but it's not very warm at all. So I'm going to do this quickly actually. No beating about the bush. That's what we say in Australia. Beating about the bush. Yeah. Stop abusing your potatoes, girl. These potatoes were planted on the 1st of May. It is now the 1st of August. So they are yellow. They are done. They are blighted. The stalks are really starting to, I don't know if you can see that properly. Stalks are really starting to look a bit sickly there. So they've been ravaged by something, these leaves, but I don't know what. So I can't see whatever it is that's affecting them. So I am going to harvest. Because, oh, slugs and all. See that? Yeah. We had, oh, this might not look so good, peoples. We have had, like, oh, well over 40 mil of rain last weekend. And, yeah, it was pretty full on. I am trying to keep my finger out the way, so please bear with me. But guess what? Freaking potatoes. Now, we're coming up to spring, so the noisy miners are out and about and carrying on. Potatoes. Okay. Alright. My record in growing potatoes lately has not been the best, and it has been shown. And yeah. So whatever I get, I'll be happy with that. Not that I've actually been eating terribly much of late anyway because of the flu. So, oh no. I was going to say, is that it? Might see if I can try, there's a seed potato. Might see if I can try and eat some of these tonight because I haven't had very many veggies lately. I've been terribly cooked, you wouldn't understand. So from that little bit is that lot of potatoes. Now what I'm going to do is this, because up here we have reached the 3-month mark and it's ready to be pulled too. And I'm busting my guns to find out what is underneath. We can see potatoes, I don't know if you can see that properly, sticking out. So we're going to do it. Ready, set, go. Well, that was easy enough. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Do you all see that? Is there any more? I can feel more. Oh, wow. You know what? That's not bad for shit soil. Let's see any worms. Oh, wow. Look at that. Have we got time to do another one? Yeah, let's do another one. Because this is starting to get a bit raggedy too. So you ready? We're going to leave that one there. Oh no, there's potatoes here somewhere. Because I have some... Oh. Oh, mercy. Oh, mercy. Oh, mercy. Oh, mercy. Oh, mercy. Oh, mercy me. I know there's more. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ooh. That was charming. Oh, and it's so freaking cold. Oh my God. Oh wow. That is gotta be the bestest potato harvest I've ever done. That and that. So I'm going to leave this one a little bit longer, see if I can make it go another month. Oh my God. That was awesome. That's worth staying out in the cold for. But I just want to tell you a couple of other things that have been going on in the garden lately. It is not just about potatoes. So I'll get to show you what I've been doing. So over here, my God, I'm recovering from those potatoes. Spring onions. Spring onions. Spring onions. And some more popped up over here. And, excuse me, I'm wearing my mask. Getting in my eye. One tiny spring onion popped up here. So this garden bed doesn't seem to do very much at all. And I don't know why. And I'm going to show you something else. That sound you can hear there is a magpie. Sound of Australia, folks. Let me show you something else that's been going on. See, there he is. Can you see him? He's right there. You're a baby, aren't you? Over here, we got a bit of lettuce, guys. We got a bit of lettuce. Celery's still gone. Cabbages didn't make it, and the cauliflower didn't make it, but that's okay. You see him? See him better there. Hello, mate. How you going? You're a tame one. Don't you go swooping on me. And silver beet is going fantastically well. But you're trying to make yourself here at home. Is that right, mate? Okay. So what do you think of that potato harvest, guys? So there is a difference, I think, between garden bed potatoes and growing them in pots, I think, which is the whole idea of this video. So yeah, so we'll leave the rest in. That one up the top there's just popped through, so there won't be much on it. My breathing's a little better today than the last video, so, but only just. But oh, feed of potatoes, have a look at her. And the ones over here too. Let's have a look at the ones over here. Yep. So I try so hard to get my finger out the way. And the reality is I don't really need that many potatoes, but I might see if I can make a potato bake or something later on, or a bit of mashed potato for tea tonight. See if I can eat that at least. It's not been good lately with what I've got. Anyway, I'm going to leave you with the sounds of that magpie, and I am going to leave it there video wise, and I will talk to you all later on the next potato harvest. Do not despair, we still have some potatoes going. Alright peoples, bye.